Welcome to the NetSuite purchase order process tutorial. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and managing purchase orders. In NetSuite, to begin with, it is essential to understand what a purchase order is. A purchase order is a document that a buyer sends to a supplier to confirm an order. In NetSuite, purchase orders are used to track and manage orders from vendors. The first step in the NetSuite purchase order process is to create a new purchase order. To do this, navigate to the procurement section of your NetSuite account and click on Purchase Orders. Then click on the New Purchase Order button. Next, enter the vendor information, including the vendor name and address. You can also select a specific vendor from your vendor list if you have already set one up in NetSuite. After selecting the vendor, you can add the items you want to purchase. To do this, click on the Items tab and then click on the Add Item button. Select the item from your item list and enter the quantity you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items, you can review the purchase order and make any necessary changes. You can also add any additional information, such as a message to the vendor or a request for a specific delivery date. After reviewing the purchase order, you can approve it. To do this, click on the Approve button at the top of the page. This will send the purchase order to the vendor and update the status in NetSuite. It is also important to track the status of your purchase orders. In NetSuite, you can do this by navigating to the Purchase Orders section and filtering by status. You can also set up notifications to alert you when a purchase order is approved or when a vendor responds. Best practices for using purchase orders in NetSuite include setting up a vendor list and item list before creating purchase orders, using the Approve feature to track and manage orders, and regularly reviewing and updating your purchase orders. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use purchase orders in NetSuite to manage and track your orders from vendors. This will help you streamline your procurement process and improve your overall business operations.